Changing your primary email on Thrivent is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Thrivent website and log into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your existing email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page or in the main menu. Step 3. Select email preferences. In account settings, look for an option labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, click the Save or Update button. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. After completing these steps, your primary email on Thrivent should be successfully updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.